With the first pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Orlando Magic select Paolo Banchero from Duke University. With the second pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Oklahoma City Thunder select Chet Holmgren from Gonzaga University. With the third pick in the 2022 Draft, the Houston Rockets select Jabari Smith Jr. from Auburn University. With the fourth pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Sacramento Kings select Keegan Murray from the University of Iowa. With the fifth pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Detroit Pistons select Jaden Ivey from Purdue University. With the sixth pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Indiana Pacers select Benedict Mathurin from Montreal, the NBA Academy Latin America, and the University of Arizona. With the seventh pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Portland Trail Blazers select Shaedon Sharpe from London, Ontario. With the eighth pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the New Orleans Pelicans select Dyson Daniels from Bendigo, Australia. With the ninth pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the San Antonio Spurs select Jeremy Sohan from Milton Keynes, England, and Baylor University. With the 10th pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Washington Wizards select Johnny Davis from the University of Wisconsin. With the 11th pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the New York Knicks select Ousmane Dieng from Bordeaux, France. With the 12th pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Oklahoma City Thunder select Jalen Williams from Santa Clara University. 13th pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Charlotte Hornets select Jalen DUREN from the University of Memphis. With the 14th pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Cleveland Cavaliers select OCHAI AGBAJI from the University of Kansas. With the 15th pick in the 2022 NBA Draft, the Charlotte Hornets select Mark Williams from Duke University.